Number 46, 50-meter backstroke, girls elementary heat 4. Lane 1, Mendoza Samantha of Caloocan. Lane 2, Usman Daniel of Quezon City. Lane 3, Corpus Olivia of Pasig. Lane 4, Mendoza Bianchi of Pasig. Lane 5, Montevideo Julian of Quezon City. Lane 6, Santiago Tatis of Manila. Lane 7, Bacateza Bianchinis of Manila. Lane 8, Alan Isabel of Eric of Las Piñas. We're gonna have a 30-minute break after the event.